So the customer wanted it all straight. The ground is not level, but the fence is. Which brings us to I'm having to add pieces at the bottom because we're too high. The neighbors on the other side, their ground is higher. So I'm just adding these pieces here. Made some U-channel aluminum, won't rust, and I'm trying to keep it all even so it looks just level all the way across. And you can see I put L bracket or U-channel and then a little L bracket underneath so it doesn't drop, and I will be screwing them from the sides there with those holes that I made right there, as such as that.